Friends, the story that Francisco Enrique de Souza, nicknamed Jununcio, told late ufologist Bob Pratt is somewhat unique. One night of January 1979, he was walking home alone on Rio Grande Norte, Brazil. In the middle of his way, he decided to light up a cigarette, and that was his biggest mistake, as that apparently caught the attention of an overhead flying saucer that started to follow him very closely. He was terrorized. Jununcio described the object as cylindrical, around 6 to 7 meters in height and 3 to 4 meters in diameter. It was extremely close to him, only a couple of meters over his head. As he described, seeing two people inside, a man and a woman seated. The woman looked like she was wearing a dress. The object emitted a light that somehow sucked Jununcio. To avoid being captured by the light, he grabbed a palm tree as best as he could. The light was very hot and I was scared, he said. The suction from the light was very strong, and despite firmly grasping the tree, Jununcio was being lifted from the ground. This happened some 5 times. Up and down, up and down. My chest was all scratched. He started to cry and thought that he was going to die. Then when the man and the woman saw that he was not leaving the tree, they threw something like boiling oil on him to release him from the tree. He felt he was between the fire and a frying pan. He couldn't move. The thing burned his arms and hurt him a lot. But he was afraid of leaving the tree. That thing lasted for less than 2 minutes. If it had been a little longer, he thought that he would have died because it was very hot. As he didn't leave the tree, they closed the door, the light turned off, and the thing quickly went away like a lightning. Jununcio ran home, his clothes wet in sweat. He was sick for 2 days afterwards and very scared of walking outside at night. The incident is described by Pratt in UFO Danger Zone, Terror and Death in Brazil. What next? We are describing it here because some time back, a Brazilian ufologist, Carlos Ayrton, made a very interesting comment about it. Regarding this boiling oil story, the palm tree Jununcio grabbed was a carnauba palm, and in the leaves of the tree, a powder is formed. The powder is used to make wax and oil. So the heat generated by the UFO overhead melted this powder and it dripped over the poor fellow grabbing the tree, who thought the UFO was throwing boiling oil over him, something which is quite very unique. Jununcio in his report indeed repeated several times how the light from the UFO was hot, and he didn't have much scarring, if any, from the incident, which suggests that if boiling oil was indeed what fell over him, it was only a bit. Of course, a more prosaic explanation would suggest everything in this incident could have been imagined by Jununcio. Pratt believes in the reality of the report, even when he describes that he later discovered one more report of aliens throwing boiling oil, the one by Benedito Enrique de Souza, son of Jununcio, who described more or less the exact same events, including the detail about the cigarette attracting the boiling oil throwing UFO. It may well be impossible to ascertain what actually happened, if anything. But if something did happen, the suggestion by Carlos Ayrton that the boiling oil detail could have been only natural carnauba palm tree oil melted by heat is very interesting. Hope you liked this video. Thank you. Friends, this was our today's video. We hope you loved the video. Well, if you did, please like the video and share it with your family and friends. And if you have come to our channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and along with it, push the bell icon to get notifications for our new videos. So that's it for today. We shall meet you again with some interesting facts. Till then, Namaste.